Number system. Decimal number 75.25 we will express into binary, octal and hexadecimal. So one video we will get decimal to binary, octal and hexa. Very impressive. So first we will convert to binary. It means 75.25, this decimal number equals to binary, we will convert. So here is two part. Before fraction, before decimal, it will be integer and this is a decimal. So first we will convert this integer 75. We will divide by 2 because we are converting binary. 75 divided 2 is a 37, so remainder 1. Again we will divide by 2, so here is 18, again remainder 1. Then divide by 2, here is 9, remainder 0. Then divide by 2, here is 4, remainder 1. Divide by 2, so here is 2, remainder 0. And finally divide by 2, here is 1 and remainder 0, right? So what next? Next again we will divide by 2, so here is 0 and remainder 1. So our target MSB to LSB. So this one is a MSB, which is most significant bit, and this one is a LSB, which is least significant bit. Therefore we can write like this 75, which is decimal number, and once we convert to binary we will get, here is 1 0 0, then 1 0 1 1. It's a binary number. So our first part done. We are trying to solve step by step. Now next part, which is 0.25, right? So this one we will multiply by 2, so we will get 0.5. so in integer part has till 0, therefore we can write here 0. Then this is 0.50, again we multiply by 2, so once we multiply we will get 1.00, so here is 1, right? So here is 1. Okay, so here this is MSB and this is LSB. Why? Because once we make like 0.25 decimal, we convert to binary, we will write 0 1, right? And this is binary, and we should mention a decimal number. Okay, so two part done. Now we will make convert. So this one we can write in here. So here is 75.25, which is a decimal number. So this is 10 equal 75, we get 1 0 0 1 0 1 1, right? Then decimal, here is 0 1. Okay, and this is our answer. I hope you cleared this one. It's not so hard, just we are making two part, integer and decimal. So our answer in here we can write this one, which is 1 0 0 1 0 1 1.01, and this is a binary number. So our first part, number A, done. Now we will start decimal to octal. So it's similar, but this one we will divide by 8. So first our target to make 75 to make octal. So we will divide by 2. 8 times 9 is a 72, right? So here is 9 and remainder what? 3. Again we can divide by 8. So here is 1, remainder 1. Again we can divide by 8. So here is 0 and remainder 1, right? So this is the most significant bit. So this is MSB and this is LSB. So we can write 75, this is a decimal number, equals to what? 113, right? It's a octal. And what about 0.25? It will multiply by 8. So we will get 25 times 8 is a 200. It means 2.00. So this is 2, right? So 0.25, once we make decimal to octal, we will get 2, right? So once we combined 75.25 decimal, and we will get 113.2. This is a octal. Very simple. Okay, this is our answer. So number B done, and we get what? 113.2. Okay, so our next part, hexadecimal, we can write in here. Number C, 75.25. This is a binary decimal number. We will convert to hexadecimal number. So hexadecimal number we will divide by 16. So 75 divide 16. So here is 4, right? 4 times 16 is a 64. So here remainder will be what? Will be 11, right? And then again we will divide by 16. So here is 0 and here is 4. So this is a most significant and this is a least significant, MSB, and this is LSB. So we can write 75, which is decimal number, equals to 4 what? Now look, this 11 is called what? B, because A is a 10, 11 is a B, right? So we can write 4B, which is hexa. And now we will convert 0.25 times 16. What we will get? Here is 4. It means 400. So 4.00. So we can write 0.25 decimal to hexa. It will be 4, right? So we can write 75.25 decimal to hexa. It will become 4B.4, right? This is hexa and this is our answer. Okay, so very simple. Whole math, if you carefully handle, you need maximum 5 minutes to complete this 3 conversation, right? So done, everything done. So we are trying to solve one more math based on decimal number 75 to binary, octal and hexa. This is a part of number system simplified, and Lots of country, it's including ICT subject, and lots of country also math. So math plus ICT essential I am trying to solve in this chapter or in this channel, which is MathJib. Please subscribe my channel. I will publish regularly these kinds of math because we need good practice for number system. No more today. Thank you very much for being with me. Stay with me. I will come soon by next video. Thank you.